So, sa Kaiser Long-Term Care, dito sa hierarchy, 3 na yung ina-address niya. So, sa Kaiser, may healthcare and short-term and long-term care, may protection and life insurance, at may investment. So, ang Kaiser is 3-in-1. Pag sinabi mong Kaiser, tatandaan nyo lang po is 720. 7 years ka lang pong magbabayad at 20 years kang insured. Pag-usapan naman natin kung ang kukunin mo ay K60 Kaiser Plan. Ano yung benefits at maturity or on the 20-year of your Kaiser Plan? Okay? So, kung titignan mo, yung long-term care benefit guaranteed is 60,000. Guaranteed yan. Okay? At mayroon tayong long-term care bonus guaranteed if you don't use your annual benefit limit during 7 years is 210,000. At mayroon tayong unused accumulated yearly health benefit. Projected value is 161,850. Mayroon din tayong unused accumulated yearly health bonus. Projected value of 267,851. Yan ang ating benefits at maturity. Ito naman yung summary. Mayroon kang long-term care benefit guaranteed of 60,000. Mayroon kang long-term care bonus guaranteed if you don't use this during the 7 years, yung annual benefit limit 210,000. Yung unused accumulated yearly health benefit na 161,850. Meron kang unused accumulated yearly health bonus of 267,851. At total benefit projected value is 699,701. The total is 699,701. Magkano naman ang contract price pag K60? Magkano naman ang contract price kapag K60 Kaiser Plan? Ang annual po is 35,293 pesos plus policy fee na 500. Ang total contract price is 35,293 per annum times 7 years lang. Pagkano ang total contract price mo? 247,050. Kung titignan mo yung total contract price mo sa total benefits mo upon maturity, almost times 3 ang features niya. Good or very good investment. Oh, by the way, pwede kang magbayad ng annual, semi-annual, quarterly, or spot cash. Ang kagandahan kasi pag nag-spot cash ka, more than 25% ang masisave mo sa iyong payment. Kaya kapag maluwag, mas maganda ang mag-spot cash. No? So, ito naman yung K60 Kaiser Plan projected value at the age of 60 and 65. Assuming you are 30 years old now. So, at the age of 60, magkano ang projected value mo? 1.8 million plus. Pag ayaw mo pang kunin, kumikita yan yearly 3 to 10% interest. At the age of 65, magkano ang projected value mo? 2.9 million plus. Magkano ang total contract price mo? Okay? 247,050 lang eh. So kung titingnan mo yung projected value upon 65 years old ka, magre-retire ka na, times 10. Diba? Yung binayad mo, times 10. Ibig sabihin, yung pera mo, nagtatrabaho para sa iyong retirement. Diba? Napakaganda.